Laundry always feels like an all-day thing. Wash, wait, switch, dry, repeat. But the Samsung 5.3 cubic foot Bespoke AI laundry combo changes that. It's an all-in-one washer and dryer that will make your old laundry pair jealous. So, depending on your setup, you've got a couple of options. If you already have a washer and dryer, the vented model can drop right into that space using your existing hookups. But if you're like me and thinking about moving laundry upstairs, or just want to get creative with where it goes, the ventless model gives you way more flexibility. All it needs is a standard 120 volt outlet, a water line, and a drain. No dryer vent exhaust system needed. It's a great fit for condos or tighter spaces where a traditional setup just doesn't work. One part of doing laundry that always gets to me is having to wait to move clothes between the washer and the dryer. Now, toss in a load and it comes out clean and dry. These feature a super speed cycle which can finish a load in just 68 minutes on the vented model and 98 minutes with the ventless. That's pretty magical. Some great tech is built in with the help of AI. Starting with this sweet 7-inch AI home LCD display, all of the settings are easily accessed with a touch of my finger. It pairs seamlessly with the SmartThings app for even more customization and notifications right from my phone. Voice control is enabled when paired with your voice assistant. At this point, I'm just waiting for it to give me some life advice. Being AI powered, it's smarter than my old washer, and it might just be smarter than my high school GPA. It will automatically detect the fabric type and soil levels and adjust the cycle for better cleaning and drying, keeping my clothes nicer for longer. Plus, there's the flexibility to pause and add a dryer sheet or remove delicates that may require hang drying. And get this, it automatically dispenses detergent, up to 47 loads worth. No measuring, no mess, just effortless laundry. To top it off, it's energy efficient. AI energy mode can cut energy use by up to 30%, which means lower power bills and a lighter footprint. Saving money and helping the planet? Now that's what I call a power couple. Ready to level up your laundry game? Connect with an expert on bestbuy.com or the app to get set up with delivery and install today.